Welcome to a quick introduction to Aiogram 3, a modern Python framework for building Telegram bots using Async. Aiogram is designed for speed, scalability, and clean code structure. It lets you build high-performance bots that can handle thousands of users simultaneously, all without blocking. To get started, install Aiogram 3 using pip. Simply run pip install u Aiogram. Then create a bot using @botfather on Telegram and grab your API token. This token is used to authenticate your bot. Here's a basic example to get your bot running. From Aiogram import bot dispatcher. From Aiogram.types import message. Bot equals bot token your token. DP equals dispatcher. At DP message async def handle message. Await message answer. Hello from Aiogram 3. DP run polling bot. Aiogram 3 introduces routers, which let you organize your bot logic into clean modular components. You can have separate routers for admin commands, user interactions, and more. Middlewares and filters give you even more control. For example, you can log every message, limit access to specific users, or respond only to certain commands, like start. Because Aiogram is fully asynchronous, your bot will stay responsive even under heavy load. It uses non-blocking I/O for database calls, HTTP requests, and more. In short, Aiogram 3 is the perfect choice for Python developers who want to build fast, reliable, and well-structured Telegram bots. Thanks for watching, and happy coding! Let me know if you want this turned into an MP3 file using a specific voice or TTS engine, or need background music suggestions for the final video.